Hi everyone, in this tutorial today I am going to show you how to make Instagram reels using Canva. So let's start. This is the home page of the Canva, and for making reels we have to search for the Instagram reels in the search box. And here we can see Canva give us so many templates which we can use as it is, or we can use to create our own reels. And the best thing is most of them are for the free. Choose template which have pro sign in it, like this one. They are only for the pro user. And if you want to create your own reel from the scratch, you can also make. Just click on this blank page, and here you can make your own reel. And now I am going to show you how to make reel from the scratch, like this one and this one. So let's start. For this, first of all we have to choose background. For this, let's go to the video option which is given in the left side. In this reel I choose beach background. So for this you have to search beach in this video. Then here you can see Canva give us so many videos. Some of are for the free and some of are only for the pro user. Those who don't have a pro account, they can go to the filters and choose free one. Then they can use any of these, but I have already a pro account, so I can choose anyone. Yes, this is the video which I used before. So let's add this. Then set video as a background. And when you double click on it, you can adjust this video like this. Then the next step is select the length of your video from here. Like this. Then if you want to change video speed, you can also change. Just go to this playback option and you can make it faster and slower, like this. And you can also flip horizontal, vertical, like this. Then let's add text here. For this, go to the text option, then choose your text and click on it. Let's make it bigger, and here you can write anything, quotes, thoughts, whatever you want to write. But now I am going to copy the code from the Google. Let's copy this and paste it here. Then you can also make different pages of your video, like this. Just click on the right button and choose the split page. Then you can see this video is divided into two different pages. Let's make another page. Now we have three different pages of our video, and for this we have to also divide this code into three different parts. So let's divide. Okay, copy and paste it here. Then again copy and paste it here. Then adjust your text and you can also animate your text from here. There are many options. I'll choose typewriter for my video. You can also select speed of your text. Okay, now the last step is to add audio in this reel. You can add audio from the audio library of the Canva, or if you have your own audio you can upload from the uploads. Just go to the uploads and choose your audio and upload it here. I already uploaded my audio, so let's add this. Just click on it like this. Now let's see how it's look. And you can also add transition. Just click on here between two pages, then select the transition. I'll select this one, these all. Let's apply between all pages. Now let's see how it's look. And it's ready. Now let's jump to the next one, like this one. So let's create another reel. In this reel you can add your own face recording if you want to add, or if you have. So first of all, let's add blue background. For this you have to go to the elements and search for the blue gradient. Then select the graphic option, and here you can see there are many. I choose this free one. Then set image as a background. Now for this type of wavy line, like this one, we have to go to the elements and search for the waves line. Then go to the graphics and search. And here it is. You can check its name by clicking on it, these three dots, line, speed, line, waves. This helps to search this graphic for the next time. So let's add this here, make it bigger, and I'm going to copy this to set it here. like this. Now we are going to use phone frame. For this, go to the elements, scroll down, and here you can see the frames, and from here choose mobile frame from it. This one. Set it in a position, right position, and then upload your video here. If you have your own video, you can upload it here, and you can upload it like this. But as of now I use Canva video to add, so let's add this like this. You can add your own video in this frame, and you can also add your text, whatever you want to write. I'll choose this one, and you can also animate this like this. Then add your audio here and download this video from here. Go to the share button and download it like this. You can download this reel video. So guys, by this way you can make Instagram reel using Canva. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.